This platform will help you to make money daily, and this platform is called 88 Club. It's all about betting, so if you love to make money, come closer. So this platform also have a Telegram group where they give signals on daily basis, and you don't lose money on this platform. All you just need to do is to follow their signal, and no way you're going to lose money. And if at all you lost, maybe you lost some money, and you can always recover with their 3x plan. With their 3x plan, you can always recover your money. So I'm going to show you how to use the 3x plan and recover your losses and still make some profit. I'll drop the link to their Telegram channel where you're going to be getting the prediction, the signals, and all you need to get started. So how do you register for this platform? So the thing is, you're going to do, when you go to the description box of this video and you click the register link that I provided there, you're going to see something like this. So what you need to do is to go ahead, put in your account name, which is going to be your username, put in your password, then you are going to confirm the password, then here put in your real name, then here all the invitation code will automatically be here if you use the link in the description box of this video. And what you have here, just type it right here. Once you've done with all of this thing, then you should enter the home page. Here's the home page, and you can see I have 1,413 rupee here. Anytime you deposit money into this platform, it automatically convert to rupee because this platform uses rupee as the currency. On this platform, there are also bonuses that can also help you to make more money. When you deposit $10, you will earn $1 extra. When you deposit $30, you will earn $3 extra. When you deposit $50, you earn $5 extra. You can see that on the screen. How does the 3x plan work? When you trade with 100 rupee and peradventure you lost that money, all you just need to do is to multiply by 3. So 100 times 3 giving you 300. So you're going to add 300 rupee in order for you to recover your 100 rupee and also make some extra. So if you lost that 300 again, you are going to also follow the 3x plan again by multiplying that your 300 rupee multiplied by 3. That will be 900 rupee. By the time you do the 900 rupee, you should be able to recover and also make some profit for yourself. But when you follow the 3x plan and you lose 7 consecutive times, they will also reward you with compensation of 70% of your trading. It is also important for you to know that they have trading time, which is Indian time, US time, Russian time, and Nigerian time. Now that you know all of these things, so let's talk about the Wingo 1. So we're going to be doing Wingo 1 minute in this tutorial. So what you need to do is, if you click on the Wingo 1 minute right here, the next thing is for me to just go to the Telegram channel and pick the signal there and trade with 1 minute. You can see there is 1 minute trade here. We have 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I'm doing 1 minute Wingo 1 minute, and this is what I have in my balance. You can see 1,413. So that's what I will be using. So what I need to do is to now either it's going to be big 2, small 2, odd 2, or even 2. So I'm going to go to their Telegram now and pick a trade. So we have the 1 minute signal here. What I just need to do is to go ahead and put 100 within 1 minute. I'm going to put 100 here. So how do you put 100? Click on what do we have? Is it small or big? So this is small, right? Small. You can see it is small 1 minute. So it is small 1 minute. So let's do it. Small 2. Then we're going to put 100. Then here you're going to click total. Just wait for it to load. It's going to load by counting down. You see this is counting down already. Opening, you can see it's opening your trading for you, then closing the trading already. So wait for the close. So wait for the trading. So we're waiting for it. So that's the first 100 rupee. So if peradventure if you lost that, we're going to do it again by multiplying 100 times 3. That is 3x plan. That will be 300. So we're going to put 300 on it. All right, so we lost that trade. So what we need to do is to go back to the signal and check the 300. You can see small again, 300 small. So we're going to do small again. So we're going to do 300. All right, this is the 3x plan I was talking about. So click total, then allow it to open. Right, once it opens, you can see it's counting down, opening. You can see opening, counting down already. That's the 300 plan. So we're gonna wait for it. So all the link will be dropped in the description box of this video. Use the link to join the Telegram group. Also the link to sign up. Everything will be in the description box. So we're gonna wait for this. So you just continue. You can never lose money here. Once you do the 100, then you lost that. You do the you just go ahead and multiply by 3. That'll be 300. Put the $300 for the second signal. Then the third signal, you can also, if you lost that second signal, you put another 900 for the third signal. So we're waiting for this to close. If you close well, if you win, good. So you can see I won this particular trade. So you can see Wingo won. So I'm gonna close this and let's see our capital. You can see 1,600. So that's how to do. You see, I tried the 100, I lost it. I tried 300, I lost it. Then I tried 900. That's the first. You try 100, which is your normal entering point. Then once you lost that 100 rupee, then you multiply by 3. That is the 3x plan. You multiply by 3. That's 100 multiplied by 3. That's 300. You put 300 in there. Then once you peradventure you lost that too, you're gonna multiply your 300 by 3. That's 900. Then you put 900. In order for you are doing this in order for you to recover your losses. That is what they call the 3x plan. And peradventure, if you do it up to 7 consecutive times and you kept losing up to 7 consecutive times, you can always message the customer care and they are going to give you a compensation reward of 70% of that your trading capital. And that's all you need to know. So now that you know all of these things, let me show you how you can actually withdraw from this platform and how you can also deposit if you want to deposit some money. So for you to withdraw, just come right here, click on my, and for you to deposit. So once you are here, all you need to do from here is you're going to see this, your ID, click on copy it. Once you copy it, click on deposit right here. So I want to show you how to deposit. Click on deposit right here. So here, just go, you can deposit via your bank payment method. You're going to just put in your ATM card and you'll be able to deposit from here. So you can select any amount you want to deposit. Then once you selected that, then you're gonna just click on recharge now. It's gonna take you to that portal where you're gonna put in your card details and your PIN, and they are gonna withdraw the amount of money you want to deposit. You can also deposit via cryptocurrency. So if I click on transfer to deposit, you can see from here, all you need to do is that's your ID, paste it here. Once you paste your ID here, then copy this address and go to your Bybit, Binance, Crypto.com, any of the platform you're using to trade. Go there and send in the amount of USDT you want to send, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 30. So if I want to do 10, I'm going to do 10 here. All right, so 10 USDT. And once your 10 USDT land here, it's going to automatically convert to 930 rupee. So now all you need to do, you can write a note here. If you want to write a note, you can just say I have made the payment. I have made the payment. So once you do that, or the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and click on recharge now. Once you are done with that, let me show you how to quickly withdraw. If you actually want to withdraw, click on withdrawal, and once you are here, you need to set up your withdrawal. It's going to ask you to set up your withdrawal password. I've already done mine. So once you put in your withdrawal password, it's just about 6 numbers. You're going to put the 6 number here, and you also need to add your account details here. So for you to add the account details, just click on here. Once you click on here, click on add bank, put in that your pin, withdrawal pin, click go on. Then make sure you put your account name, put your bank card number, then here also repeat the bank card number and put here your IFSC and confirm it. Once you're done that, then you are good to go. Your account number will be there, so you can easily withdraw to your account or your card anytime, any day. So that's how to withdraw, and that is how to also deposit. And you can also make money by inviting friends on this platform. If you click on invite friend here, you will use the opportunity to invite a friend. So you can copy your link here or send to Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. You can send your link to anyone on this platform, or you copy this link and send it to them directly. So it's very simple for you to know that you can also make money with invites, even without even betting at all. You can make money with that also. You can also make other bonuses here. Let me show you something. So if you come right under promotion, you can see here, which means that if you invite somebody that put more than 1,000 rupee, you are going to get 20 extra. If you invite someone that put 5,000, you're going to get 88 extra. If you invite someone that put 10,000, you're going to get 128 extra. All of these things are what you need to know that can also bring you more money on this platform. So that will be the end of this video. If this video has helped you one way or the other, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you go ahead to like the video. I will appreciate that. All the link will be provided in the description box of this video. Use the link to join the Telegram group for Signal. I also use the link right there to sign up on this platform, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.